Greetings YouTube, this is Jace. I just have another Milsurp rifle to show you guys. What we have here is 7mm Spanish Mauser from 1920. It's a pretty cool rifle. Show you some of the markings. And this one just so happens to be one of the fascists. It has the bomb on there. It's one of their rifles. Really nice rifle, shoots really well. You know, being that it's a 100-year-old rifle. They started producing these in 1893. I'm kind of wondering if this is one of the rifles used during the Spanish Civil War. The Ottomans also used this rifle too. But it has that, it has a different sight than your more modern Mauser rifles. What's nice about this, it's a carbine, so it's really small. And you can still get this ammo, so that's a plus. But make sure you use 7mm Mauser. You don't ever want to put 7mm Remington into it. Or blow the gun up. So look specifically for 7mm Mauser. Yeah, really gorgeous gun. It's over 100 years old. Yeah, guys, I'll show you this gun real quick. Call it a video. Hope everybody's having a nice New Year's Eve. And 2025 is looking pretty good. Alright guys, this is a Spanish Mauser, 7mm. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.